Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a freaking huge Sephora haul. This bag is full of goodies and it's quite heavy. Some of them I picked up online and the rest of them I picked up in store when I was in there a few days ago. And let's just get started. I haven't went to Sephora for a while because, well, I haven't ordered from Sephora in a while because online last time I tried to order around November time, my freaking account got hacked and somebody tried to spend $1,600 off my freaking debit card. So I had to cancel my card, do all kind of stuff. So I was kind of scared to order from them again. But now I found out that you can just order through the site and then you can just use your PayPal account, and that way you don't have to save your card information to the account. And then I just picked up some more when I was in the mall the other day with my kids, letting them get some stuff from Hot Topic or something like that. So if you want to see what I got in my huge bag, then let's get started. So we're not going to do it in any order. I'm just going to go from the bag. This one I picked up in the store. This is the original beauty blender, the black one. I've been using it the last couple of days. At first I was like, I wasn't too sure what the hype was about this beauty blender, but I was like, I used it, I was like, oh shoot, this is freaking amazing. It's really soft, but the only thing, I went to wash it today and I kind of scraped a little piece off, so you got to be careful with these beauty blenders, but I feel like it works great on my skin. So it's this one I just got in the mail today. This is from The Ordinary. This is from The Ordinary. This is just direct acid. This is for it's a brightening formula. And this is what it is. And this is a little small tube. Hopefully this works on my skin. It says it's supposed to, you're supposed to apply it on your face in the AM or in the PM to improve visible brightness and appearance of skin texture. So that's my problem, because I swear I will use all the primers for your pores and I still have like texture on my face, and I have like texture down here that don't want to go away, or up in here the pores just not go away no matter what I put on it. So it's supposed to improve your skin texture and avoid eye contact in your mouth, you know, the normal stuff. And I also picked up the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r primer. I had a couple of samples before when it first came out, and then I went and picked it up in the store when they were back in stock, but I ended up taking it back because the Fenty foundation was breaking me out when I first got it, so I just took it back and now I picked it up again. So I was running out of my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealers. I picked up, Did you call me? Oh, I thought you was talking to me. So I went and picked up 3 new concealers. I picked up a new Cafe. This is my skin shade concealer. This is my skin shade. I like to use this to conceal like around my mouth or under my eyes if I don't want like a bright highlight. This is the Nars. That is Cafe. I also picked up Amande, and I picked up Hazelnut. Hazelnut and Cafe is supposed to be close in shades. They both have red undertones. So I picked that one up because I seen it on Jackie Anna's channel when the new colors came out, the new shades. And she said they were really similar, and I used it today and they're technically the same shade. I'm going kind of quick because I have too much stuff in this bag. And I also picked up the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And so I picked up the Nars Natural Radiance Longwear Foundation. Yeah, so I picked my shade and I went up a couple of shades because Macao was not my color. So I tried this color and I'm wearing it today, and I felt like it's matching me perfectly. So I also picked up the new primer. I picked up the Smashbox primer water. I've used this in a travel size a few times and I loved how it worked, so I picked up a bigger one. I also picked up the Sephora MicroSmooth foundation press powder in Deep 60. And I love the way this looks, and it's just so smooth when you just blend it in. It just kind of disappears on the back of your hand. I love that. I'm trying to hurry up because my batteries are already running out. So I picked up the Anastasia DipBrow in the color Ebony. I thought I picked the color dark brown, but I guess ebony and dark brown is the same thing. I used it today on my brows. It looks to me a little ashy. I'm not sure how I really like it yet. And it's just weird. And I use some different stuff on my edges today. It's just weird when you're doing your hair and you're wearing foundation. It's kind of like gets in your hair. So I don't know how I'm going to fix that, but whatever. So I also picked up the Chloe perfume. I wanted to pick up Chloe Love Story, but I thought that's what it was, and I was kind of in a rush, and I seen it. I was like, well, let me get it. But it ended up not being that one, but I ended up liking it anyway. I was going to take it back. It was like $106. I was going to take it back, but I ended up liking it finished. So I picked up the Chloe perfume also. And then I picked up the new Contour Blush Palette by Sephora. I tried this out a few times. I seen this on another girl. I think her name was Andrea Renee's channel. And it looks like this. And it has brown girl friendly shades inside. And it also looks like this. I love using these also. It looks so good on your skin. They just look amazing. Like I need more highlighter, but whatever. And I picked that one up and I think it was $22. I also picked up the Fenty Beauty Matchstick Trio in the shade Deep 400. And I picked up the Nars Sheer Glow Foundation in the shade Benares. I think it's Benares, Deep 3 Benares. If I'm butchering the name, I'll leave it in the description box. It's a little bit deeper than the Natural Radiance foundation I picked up, but I think I like it to be good for the summertime. And the last thing I picked up was the Ordinary Retins serum. And this one is for, I think it's for texture and brightening also. And then the last thing I picked up was this Anastasia Beverly Hills number 14 brush. One end is angled and the other end has a spoolie on the end. And that's everything I picked up. I spent way too much money, but everything I picked up over a period of time in the last, you know, whatever weeks or so, whatever. But everything I picked out, it was kind of planned. I've been looking for these products for a while and I finally picked them up. And I hope you guys like this huge haul from Sephora. If you'd like to see any more videos like this, let me know in the comment box and I will be sure to make more like this again. Thank you. Sorry for rushing, but I didn't want to make this video too long. Peace out.